අද මම ගෙනෙන්නෙත් ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කතා කරන්න කැමති ඔබට වැදගත් වන වාක්‍ය රටා. එසේත් නැත්නම් ඔබට ඔබේ දරුවාගෙන් හෝ වෙනත් කෙනෙක්ගෙන් ඇසිය හැකි ප්‍රශ්න වගේම වෙනත් කෙනෙක් ඔබෙන් එසේ ඇසුවොත් දිය හැකි පිළිතුරු අන්තර්ගත වන වීඩියෝ එකක්. එසේනම් වීඩියෝ එක අවසාන වනතුරු රැඳී සිටින්න. අපි යමු වීඩියෝ එකට.
What are you eating? What are you eating?
I'm eating some cashews. I'm eating some cashews.
Why did he run away? Why did he run away?
Because he didn't want to get caught. Because he didn't want to get caught.
Why do you like pizza? Why do you like pizza?
It's delicious. It's delicious.
When will you sleep? When will you sleep?
I will sleep soon. I will sleep soon.
Why is the sky dark? Why is the sky dark?
It's going to rain. It's going to rain.
Whose turn is it now? Whose turn is it now?
It's your turn. It's your turn.
What's the matter? What's the matter?
I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well.
When will it start? When will it start?
It will start soon. It will start soon.
Are you tired? Are you tired?
No, I'm not tired. No, I'm not tired.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Yes, I'm fine.
Where is your class? Where is your class?
It's near the supermarket. It's near the supermarket.
Whose book is this? Whose book is this?
This is my friend Tina's book. This is my friend Tina's book.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm doing my homework. I'm doing my homework.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
I want to watch my favorite TV program. I want to watch my favorite TV program.
Why are you sad? Why are you sad?
I got bad marks in the exam. I got bad marks in the exam.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden.
What are you doing there? What are you doing there?
I'm playing with my puppy. I'm playing with my puppy.
Is it yours? Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine. Yes, it's mine.
What is this? What is this?
It's a vegetable salad. It's a vegetable salad.
How is it? How is it?
It tastes amazing. It tastes amazing.
Did you understand? Did you understand?
Yes, I understood. Yes, I understood.
Do you like wood apple juice? Do you like wood apple juice?
Of course, it's one of my favorites. Of course, it's one of my favorites.
Can I get your results sheet? Can I get your results sheet?
Definitely, here it is. Definitely, here it is.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Not yet. Not yet.
Where's your water bottle? Where's your water bottle?
It's on the table. It's on the table.
ඉතින් අද පාඩම ඔබට වැදගත් වුණා නම් ලයික් කරන්න, ෂෙයා කරන්න, ඒ වගේම සබ්ස්ක්‍රයිබ් කරන්නත් අමතක කරන්න එපා. අපි නැවත දවසක හමු වෙමු. මම රන්සි.